Hi, it's Allie from APS EdTech. Today I want to show you a trick in GoGuardian that you may not know about. Did you know it is possible to present your screen to all of your students' devices at the same time? Let me show you how. In order to present your screen in GoGuardian, you need to first find your Tiles screen homepage, click Present Screen from your blue toolbar. There are lots of presentation settings that you can enable if you'd like to, like turning on camera so that students can see your face, enabling the microphone so they can hear your voice. Be sure Present Your Screen is toggled on so that you can share what's on your screen to their screens. You have the opportunity to record the presentation inside of GoGuardian if you'd like. And this is another feature that I'd like to point out. You can lock students to the presentation, meaning the only thing they'll be able to do on their Chromebooks during the session will be watch what you're screen sharing. They will not be able to navigate to any of their built-in apps or open other tabs. So you can toggle that on if you'd like to use that feature. Next, choose Select Students to Present to. Choose All Students by clicking Select All, or you can select individual students. Next, click Choose What to Share. Just like in Google Meet, you can choose to share a Chrome tab, an entire window, or the entire screen of your device. Click Share. For you as the teacher, it may not seem like anything has changed, but you are now sharing whatever tab or window that you selected to student screens. If you go back to your GoGuardian tab, click Screens, you will see that my student now has my screen on their Chromebook screen. Because I selected Locked to this presentation, students will not be able to click around, open new tabs, or close this while the presentation is live. When you're ready to stop presenting, you can stop the screen share and then click Stop Presenting. And now we can see that the student screen will go back to what they had open before. All of their tabs will reopen and they will be able to access the rest of their Chromebook. I hope that tip was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll publish these videos every week. Let us know in the comments, what do you want to see next?